How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We need to take a look at some of the reasons I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to do really well quite soon. So we're going to look at that, take a look at some really interesting articles that are new as of today in the last couple days, and remind you where we are on this track of cryptocurrency investing and why we're still very early. So I know some people have been saying, hey, we don't look that bullish, right? We've been kind of range bound, 44,000 to 48,000 the last week. When you zoom out and take a look, over the last month, we were at 29,000. We went all the way up to 48. Think about that. That's a 60% increase. We went all the way up to 48. Now we've stayed in this range, 44,000. We saw support a couple times here, and we're staying in this 44,000 to 48,000 range. Awesome gains over the last couple weeks. Crypto in general doing quite well. We're going to take a look at why that might be the case and why so many people are excited here in the very near future for crypto. Now, I do want to tell you about a couple ways to get some free money. Voyager, which is one of my favorite apps, they pay interest on 20-something different cryptocurrencies. They're giving a bonus, so they always give the $25 Bitcoin bonus. So if you guys want to use the link underneath the video, deposit $100 on their platform, and you get $25 worth of Bitcoin as soon as you trade it. And they're also giving 25 VGX, which is worth $100 right now if you give 5 other referrals. So if you guys want, definitely check that out underneath the video. And one other project that I want to talk to you about that is actually the first game and entertainment project on IOHK under their games and entertainment section. They're giving away some free tokens too. So you can see it's actually Redodo. I'll put a link underneath the video. I'm working with them, but this is not something that we're doing together right now. This is just something I wanted to show you guys because I think it's pretty cool. A pre-IDO NFT lottery. So you can get 20,000 RDT tokens. So very cool. Definitely check it out underneath the video and go follow them on Twitter because they're going to do more stuff like this in the future, most likely, as they're building up their project. So definitely check them out. Thanks. And let's get into it here. So the fear and greed index over time, you can see we're getting a little bit greedy, right? People are getting more interested in crypto again. Remember when we were in this 10 range for the longest time, 10 to 20, just fear. This was just as of a couple months ago. No one wanted to buy Bitcoin. Of course, we were talking about buying Bitcoin here on the channel, but I remember a lot of people were saying, no, I'm going to wait until it hits 20, 25,000. That never happened. Now people are getting greedy. As soon as we see some kind of dip, people want to buy in. People want Bitcoin. They want to add it to their holdings. They want to add it to their balance sheets. It's pretty interesting. We have this news coming out just today, as of an hour ago. United Wholesale Mortgage to begin accepting Bitcoin. So this is bullish news for Bitcoin adoption, bullish news for crypto adoption. They said here that there's no guarantee, but the company is still working through the details, but they have every intention of making crypto payments happen. Now, they are talking about how they're going to start with Bitcoin, then they're also looking at Ethereum and others. So they're going to start with the big boys and then move down the line. Pretty cool. So big news coming from them. You can see the company has been the top wholesale lender for 6 consecutive years, and its business makes up 20% of the market share in the space. Huge adoption there. Then the US government now offers informants crypto rewards in addition to bank wires. I covered this in a video just yesterday, but really cool. I mean, I guess you can kind of take it as, hey, maybe the government just wants to get rid of cryptocurrency, but they are paying people in cryptocurrency, so that's cool. In addition to that, we have Walmart, which is hiring for a cryptocurrency expert position. You can see that the person will be in charge of developing the retailer's digital currency strategy and product roadmap. So they look like they're going to get in the crypto space. What does that mean? We don't know at this point, but I would assume accepting crypto. I mean, we heard a while ago rumors of them actually picking up a couple $1 billion worth of crypto, but we didn't actually see that materialize. I'm guessing someone heard something about crypto with Walmart and they jumped the gun a little bit on it, but they obviously want to get in the space. They're trying to compete with Amazon. Amazon has put up a similar role, digital currency and blockchain product lead. Amazon said, we believe the future will be built on new technologies that enable modern, fast, and inexpensive payments and hope to bring that future to Amazon customers as soon as possible. This is in addition to JP Morgan Chase, Apple, PayPal, all hiring for cryptocurrency positions. Other companies like Whole Foods, Home Depot, and Starbucks already allow cryptocurrency payments. So if they move it over to the US dollar, but still pretty cool. And then we have other big innovations coming this year to different cryptocurrencies. We have Ethereum, either end of this year, beginning of next year, moving over to proof of stake. This is a pretty cool graphic here showing the energy consumption per transaction with Ethereum. Right now, it is still a significant amount compared to Bitcoin. Obviously, it's less, but it's still, it's still 6-7% or so. But take a look at what it would look like on Ethereum proof of stake. Instead of something that's 57 meters tall, it would be 0.025 meters tall. So we are talking about 1,000, 2,000 times less energy being used. So that is very bullish. We have Ethereum actually burning because of EIP 1559. Very cool there. Obviously, that definitely gives the supply a shock. 36% of Ethereum is being burned out of the new transaction. So that is really cool. And then we also have all the big banks getting into crypto. And I think a lot of us remember that, right? They're offering it to their clients as services. But I don't know how many people remember this. Ethereum could jumpstart a $40 billion staking industry. Remember that JP Morgan, two of their analysts said that this could be a huge industry. There are going to be a lot of people that want to hold on to cryptocurrencies for interest, for staking, for passive income. Let's not forget, after it gets mainstream, a lot of people will want to hold it because a lot of people like diversification. And if you can make extra dollars just by holding onto cryptocurrency, people will do that, especially once their institutions provide it to them. There are going to be a lot of products, a lot of different places to invest that will give you a return on your crypto. So that is one of the reasons I like it now. That's why I talk about Voyager and BlockFi so often. I think there's a bright future ahead of crypto. We can see all the massive banks, all the massive companies are hiring for crypto positions or offering it to their clients. Here's a cool list of a lot of big banks investing in crypto and blockchain companies. You can see everyone from Citibank to UBS, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and the companies that they're investing in, along with the dollar amount that they've invested. A lot of big banks are putting hundreds of millions of dollars into these companies. In the near future, ETFs are coming. There's so much coming. So I just wanted to give an update because there were some cool articles that I found, some cool graphics here. Now, I do want to say, again, if you guys want some free money, Voyager, link underneath the video. Also, going back to Redodo, definitely check the link underneath the video to their Twitter. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.